Dear 6th standard students, welcome back to this video session of maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.3. Here we discuss about the collinear point and concurrent lines. Let us get into the session. Look at this exercise 4.3 introduction. Here we discuss about the collinear and concurrent lines. Collinear points and concurrent lines. Listen, when three or more points lie on the same line, they are said to be collinear. Listen, how will you remember this means? If your mother, father are worked in the office, their friends are work in the same office, they are called colleagues, right? That like the A point A, B, C are in the same line, that is called collinear point. Collinear point. Otherwise, sometimes line is this means points are these are there and here and there, that is not a collinear. They are lie on the same line, that is collinear point. And then when three or more lines pass through the same point, three or more point pass through the same point, they are said to be concurrent. Line 1, line 2, line 3 are passed through the same point, that is concurrent lines. That point is called point of concurrency. That point is called point of concurrency. The lines are called concurrent line. So when three or more lines passes through the same point, they are said to be concurrent. The point is called point of concurrency. Listen, in case the lines are like this, that is not a concurrent, because they are not passed through the same point. So collinear and concurrent lines. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.3 with this concept only. Let us get into the exercise sums. First sum, observe the diagram and fill in the blanks. Listen, this diagram, A, point A, point O, point B and point C. From this we have to fill in the blanks. Listen, A, O, B are dash points. Point A, point O, point B are lie on the same line, that is that points are collinear point. Next one, point A, O and C are dash points. A, O, C. Listen, C is not lie on the same point, that is separately. So that is non-collinear point. Next one, A, B, C. A, B, C. A and B lie on the same line, but C is separately. So that is also non-collinear. Next one, dash is the point of concurrency. These lines are point out in the same point, that is dash is the point of concurrency. Listen, So that point is the point of concurrency. O is the point of concurrency. That is the answer. Second question. Draw any line and mark any 3 points that are collinear. Listen, draw any line. I draw the line. Mark any 3 points that are collinear. Collinear means any 3 points that are lie on the line. Then only it is collinear. So AB, in that 3 points, that is C, D, E. So C, D, E are the collinear points. That is the answer. Next one, draw any line and mark any 4 points that are not collinear. So draw any line, draw the line, any 4 points that are not collinear. So I point A, B, C, D. That is not collinear because B is not on the line. Like that, we draw any line again and 4 points that are not collinear. It has many answers. Your wish. Fourth one, draw any 3 lines to have a point of concurrency. Listen, any 3 lines. To have a point of concurrency, it has a point of concurrency. So that is point of concurrency. The line L1, L2, L3. 3 lines I draw and the point of concurrency, it has point of concurrency. That is the answer. And then fifth one, draw any 3 lines that are not concurrent. Find the number of point of intersection. Listen, that is not concurrent. Three lines I draw. It is not concurrent because it is not passed through one point. Listen, that is not concurrent. And then they ask one more question, find the number of point of intersection. 2 lines are intersect means the point is called in point of intersection. How many point of intersection is there? This is line 1, line 2, line 3. Listen, line 1, 1, 2, here 3. So there are 3 point of intersection. That is the answer. Here exercise 4.3 is over. So children, practice well with the concept of collinear and concurrent. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.